Sci362! Welcome to Ethics! Yay! This is your official welcome video. So I want to say thank you for being here, and please let me know how I can help you. Okay? Ethics. This is a fun course. Okay? This is a different course than you may have anticipated that you would be taking in college. Especially for environmental science, but it actually is one of the foundations of environmental science. As environmental scientists, we have a foot in a lot of different worlds, and by understanding people's perspectives in those different worlds, we have a better chance to build bridges. That's one of the cool superpowers of being an environmental scientist. We can build bridges between different worlds. And so this will help you understand not only where you're coming from. This is a really good meta class. It's a lot of self-reflection, but you also have a good chance of understanding where others are coming from. Okay? So that is one of the really cool things about this class, and in general about environmental science. Now, this class, as with all your others, you've got discussions and quizzes each week. Please make sure that you use paragraphs for your discussions. Practice professional behaviors here. All right? Don't just turn in chunks of text like you would texting a friend. Okay? That's not appropriate. It's not professional. If you do that in the real world, you will have a not fun afternoon. Okay? So, primary response due on Thursday, 2 replies by Monday. Please don't put everything off till Monday. And then you've got a couple of summatives. You've got quizzes too. Please don't forget those. They're a lot of fun. They're really helpful. And yeah, don't just put those off. Don't sort of leave points on the table. Okay? Now, this class, like I said, it's really self-reflective. And we're going to be doing some history, which is really important because understanding the historical aspects, the historical perspectives of different environmental movements helps you understand sort of where some of your ideas may come from, and also helps you understand how other people are viewing the world. Okay? That's really important. Okay? And let's see, what else do I have? That's pretty much it for this class. It's a really interesting class. It runs a little bit differently than your other classes because, again, it is personal. It is self-reflective, so you're going to be doing a lot of self-analysis here. Enjoy it. Take the chance, because you don't often have a chance to sit back and say, okay, now why do I think that? Where did these ideas come from? And are there any foundational aspects to this? Is there more to some of these ideas? Okay? So enjoy. And again, thank you for being here. Welcome to class. Let me know if you have any questions, okay? Oh, also, there is a no quotation policy. Please remember that. No quotations. You must use proper citations, so APA citations, and APA citations. Don't just say, I went to OSHA, or I went to the EPA. No, you didn't. You went to a specific site. Because if you say, I went to EPA.gov, well, that means you went to all tens of thousands of pages. You probably didn't. So, those are important, but also remember, no quotations. You have to cite the ideas, not the words. Don't just copy-paste and be a parrot, okay? Don't just mimic something, because there will be a time, if all you can do is quote, and if you practice just quoting something, there'll be a time when somebody says, I don't understand what you mean. Or, worse yet, if you're on the stand and the opposing team's lawyer says that to you, like, what does this mean? You just said this, and you quoted part of the regs. What does that mean? Then you're going to really have a miserable time of it. But if you can paraphrase, if you can understand what those ideas mean and say it in your own words, you're going to have a better chance at communicating with others. Okay? So that's why there's a no quotation policy. All right? So let me know if you have any questions again. Thank you again for being here. Appreciate you. Cheers.